Head, tail. Head, short, Taiwan. Head, tail யார் நீங்க போடுங்க ஒரு ஆள் கேளுங்க. Tail for. On the toss. Head. Ball first. Right, okay, ball first on the toss. 5 minutes left.
Dapat dimasukin kamera, rolling ke kanan. Kalau kamera, tapi maka bagi kita jauh kita nampak swing lima palsu, bagi rolling lima termaka palsu. Bagi lima kali kamera, rolling ke kanan itu kamera, kalau kali kamera namun nisip pada hilangan jauh dari mana. Berada di dalam ruangan yang sungai ikan lagi, pada pada kain sekarang masa pada di luar pada. Kesulitan pada yang kenalan short backward sekali kelapin. High focus forward, lagu high focus masuk ke. Pas ada gambaran ini fighters 23 for loss of 2 wickets. Caught high by wicketkeeper taking a rubbish jauh the man out. Kita lihat tidak bisa balik ini. Yang kedua ini satu banding yang kedua terjadi oleh terbaik fighters ini. Can balls needed can balls hanging dari bawah.
Bercanda. Single.
Nushan Pandey Mikhail. Against the mid-wicket boundary, Anas the long-off boundary. He is Ashik. He is Bentley passing the umpire first ball. That's a good. Wow. Shot by Nafis. Stepping out and chipping it over long on for a 6 to begin the occasion. He is Ashik. Two toss again, the batsman missing out. Sloppy fielding there.
നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്ലേസ് ലാംഗ്വേജ് എവിടെയാ ഇരിക്കുന്നോളാ ഇതോ മറോ മുട്ടാണ് അങ്ങ്
Chipping away for a single. I think that's the length. The second public victory in the city, Divina Sila City. Naku Lama di kanan, third Pandwari Club bergabung pada di sini. You all know what Ashik can do. You can't give opportunities like that. That's a big mistake. Let's wait and see it will cost. It's a single Ashik. Watchful. It's not easy feeling Zamir to Ashik. Plays it away, but only 1 run, nevertheless. That's once again straight down the ground. Very, very good fielding there, very good fielding. Excellent work there, stopping 3 runs. So conclusion of the first over. Here's Ashik. Whack the way this time Ashik. Connects it very well. Comes once again, passing the umpire. Good of delivery back to it. Take on the ground. Oh, that's skipped the space. Long off pitch, but takes a juicy pull. Again, got a shot. Board is fourth delivery. Again, the short pitch delivery. New batsman comes in. Puts the once again, passing the umpire. Full pitch delivery.
Catch.
Ball been taken by Zamir at the long on boundary line.
Under the circumstances, because we won't score in 45-50 plus, batting first will be on the walking card for the batting. We will immediately get this game to a mammoth score. Ashik around the wicket. That's a good shot. Nuski, gets it up the first wicket. Brilliant bowling by Ashik. Brilliant comeback. Ashik, coming to you. Appears a bit for a corner. Ashik. What a change of pace here. Nasaf walks, has a long walk back to the pavilion, a golden duck again for Asaf. This is brilliant stuff from Ashik. Change of pace. Beautiful line, wonderful length, an extraordinary. Ashik coming to you around the wicket. Brilliant bowling. This is what an over. Big round of applause to Ashik, ladies and gentlemen. This is fantastic stuff. At the end of the first over, it's 1 run for the loss of 2 wickets. Honey Badgers Entertainment. That's some sloppy work there at extra cover. Well backed up there by Raslan. Returns into the ball and that brilliant bowling. This is from the young man Shakik. Shakik coming in from the media box and passes up by the ball. The third legal delivery. Brilliant bowling. Unfortunately, second over from the media box in. That's a fantastic shot, brilliant shot, walking right down the wicket, and the no ball signal by umpire. So with that 5 runs being added to the total, that's a fantastic shot by Shaki. Coming to you, passes the umpire, very well bowled again, fantastic comeback from the young man. 2 more legal deliveries to be bowled. Shaheen is not happy with his willow, and request for a gap. A upper and B upper stand. Few grass bands left, right in the cow corner. Shaki. Wide again. Around the wicket, passes umpire. Very well bowled, and that's a woo! Shaheen clears his front foot and clears long on with ease. What is on? Views for them. Shakir. That's a single. 1 run conceded. Loss of 2 wickets. Farzan to Shaheen. What a shot! Take the ball. This is batting at its very best from Shaheen. Shaheen with brilliant batting. That's ball. Brilliant comeback after the 6 from the bowling team required after that cameo from Rifki. 28 for 3. Can Rifki strike big today? What a shot, Rifki! Has he cleared? No! Anas with his bucket hands takes it. So Rifki, Mubashi. 8 for 4. 1 more legal delivery to be bowled by Farzan. Experienced campaigner with his right arm off speed. Brilliant catch! Oh, that's a hat to Farzan. Brilliant catch from the fielder and a big collision for the bowling team. Amar around over the wicket. Oh, that's a cracking shot. That's a beautiful cricketing stroke, and that's cleared with ease. This is effortless batting from Shakar. This is why he did not take this. Oh my God, that's clear! 100 meter Maulavi is the new batsman. Amber has to finish off strong for his captain Anas. This is a good shot. Very well fielded by Anas. Extraordinary fielding, but a stop in return from Anas. He should have definitely. No! Is that gone? It's caught. Language in the Sinhalese language, ladies and gentlemen.
අනස් සමග ආසික් ඉර්ෂියේන ආරම්භ කිරීම සඳහා සූදානම් වන්නේ ආසික් කෙරේ පන්දියක් සඳහා ෂාන් කැඳවාගෙන තිබෙන රයිට් ආවුත් විකට් ආකාරයෙන් පන්දු පහළ තුමා ස්ථානගත කරනවා කව වලලක ආකාරයෙන් පන්දු රකින්නන් ස්ථානගත කරන්නේ හොඳ පන්දුවක් ඉනිති අවසන් මොහොත අවසන් තප්පරය දැක බලා ගැනීමේ ප්‍රියජනක මොහොත මේ උදා කරගෙන තිබෙන්නේ පහරක් කෙලිකිරීම රැවැක්කේ සාමිකයන් සරසිනවා හලවදී නමුත් තරගය පන්දු ප්‍රමාණය හා සටනක් තිබෙන්නේ පහරක් කෙලිකිරීම ඉස්කාගත් පහරක් ප්ලේ බැක් ද පොයින්ට් සීන් පන්දුව ගමන් කරන්නේ ලකුණයි දෙවෙනි ලකුණක් කරා පිටිකරුවන් වේකේ ලකුණු දෙවියන් අප ඉස්සර මහා ගෞරව ප්‍රණාමයට පුදු කළ යුතුයි ආපරේ තුත්‍රි දැන් සූදානම් Baik negosiasi pandu yang mana bolanya kepada nomini laba dino abe tarang sanggida kudasanya saksi pada lakunu hai waktu lowi maksudnya lakunu data itu lakunu sangka tarang dewi pandu ini tawat pandu anda bulu pahala kita usahakan ini bitte topet cewani ini udah pandu kesabandra dia ini rekagano ya
kita ஏற்பாடு பண்ணீங்க அதாவது ஓல்ட் பாய்ஸ்ல வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் இந்த டோர்னமென்ட்க்கு பார்ட்டிசிபேட் 110 பேரோட இல்லாம இந்த ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்ச எல்லாருக்கும் மாஷா அல்லாஹ் எல்லாரும் இன்ஷா அல்லாஹ் வாங்க 8 மணிக்கு எல்லாரும் அவசியமா அந்த 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 விழால வந்து கலந்து கொள்ளுங்க. Round of applause for the wonderful words from the sporting committee chief. New challenges Nizam the captain. Next up is Nauzer. Thank you, Uzair brother. Usaid Maulavi. Round of applause, gentlemen. Give some clap when I mention the name. Thank you, Anas. Next up is Jamal. Anfas. What is called Anfas, please? Royals. Next up is thank you, Anfas. Captain Shabra.
And emotions. Man of the final, any guesses? Man of the final, ladies and gentlemen, EPL Season 1 goes to Ashik Marzoor. The tournament, the trophy is sponsored by Central Spice, Mr. Hasmi and Mr. Hasmat, and to give away the award I would cordially invite Hasmat, Best Batsman, TPL Season 1, goes to Anas Uwais. Best bowler of the tournament goes to Shakil. I would like to cordially invite Mr. Maushar and two more, Nasaf, Mubashir. Right throughout the tournament, he deserves a big one out here. He was absolutely brilliant. Shanfaz, he was also brilliant for him. Ceramic manager. And two more players, Uzair Maulavi. Come on guys, let's give a big round of applause. And next is Mubin Maulavi. The champion team of DPL Season 1 goes to TU Lions. And can we have two more players, first and foremost, to give away a couple of medallions? I would cordially invite Mr. Riaz Asma Qasim, Managing Director. Can we have others? One more player, Raslan. Thank you, Mr. Riaz. Three awards I would cordially invite. Can we have Farzan Mushki? Fielding at one of the most toughest positions. Thank you, Mr. Hussain. Housing, please. Star Bakers, the best bowler of the tournament, Shaki, collecting his individual medallion. I would like to cordially invite the President of OTA, Mr. Kwaishan. Ashik. We have a big round of support from his fans, Ashik. And the man of the series, Ashik, collecting his individual medallion.
Managing Director Ahkam, who is the sponsor of this trophy. Ahkam, Maulavi, please come forward. Runners up, we had 10 teams. They've won all 4 matches in the group events and won the top qualifier. It was none other runners up, TU Challengers, the captain Nizar. Please come forward and collect your runners up a medallion. As a team, they have done an excellent job. Everyone has contributed for DUPL Season 1. Would like to call upon Aida Qasim's Managing Director, on behalf of Managing Director, his brother, Hudayf is here. Please come forward, Mr. Hudayf. Main sponsor of this event, Aida Qasim. Unfortunately, he's not here, so he's sending his brother. So the champions team, 10 teams competed. It's an event organized first time in the 36 years history of the school, Darul Uloom. And it is the champions team. They lost 3 matches in the first round. But nevertheless, they came back like real heroes. Especially Ashik Anas and the electing man Raslan and the final man Farizan also gave a big hand. And the champions of DUPL Season 1. Anas, the captain, please come forward. Once more for your wonderful contribution. Once again, thanking the organization, and we are consuming the
நம்மை கடந்த 10 அணிகளில் 9 அணிகளை வீழ்த்தி சாம்பியன் அணியாக தெரிவு செய்யப்பட்ட DU Lions அணியின் தலைவர் அனஸ் பைஸ் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறேன்.
இன்னொரு ஃபேன் வைக்குமே, இன்னொரு ஃபேன் இருக்கணும். எப்படா சாப்பிடுங்க தம்பி? 20 வந்து உட்காருங்களே, வாங்களே ஓடு. வாரண்டா தரவா. வாயில போட்டு நல்லா இதா இது மிஞ்சும் போலிக்கு சோறுலாம் அப்படியே மிஞ்சும் போலிக்கு இல்ல போட்டு சோறு கொடுப்போம் இப்போ என்ன இங்கே ஒரு சட்டி அப்படி இருக்குது சோறு இருக்குது அதான் பறக்கத்தை இருக்குது பகல்லேருந்து தின்னலே அப்பா சாப்பாடு எப்படின்னு கொஞ்சம் கமெண்ட்ஸ் சொல்லுங்களேன் சாப்பாடு எப்படி சாப்பாடு எப்படி நல்லவா மரம் அடுத்த டிப் உங்களுக்கு ஆர்டர் பண்ணி தரணுமே தம்பி சாப்பாடு எப்படி நல்லவா அடே சாப்பிடுங்க சாப்பிடுங்க விட்டுறாங்க இல்லை அடே மெதுவா தின்னுங்கடா தின்றா வாரம் விட்டுருவாங்க இல்லடா
Yeah.